Ron here today, and I'm going to talk about the DJI RC Pro 2 controller. And I don't know if I made a video on it, just on all the features and stuff of this controller yet, but it's coming soon. But today's kind of a way to protect this device. This device is a very expensive device. Purchased alone in the U.S. Costs you like about $1,300. You have to get it off of eBay, so that price could vary. But anyhow, very expensive controller. So you wanted something, protection for something like this, because in the U.S. you can't get the CAD refresh and whatever, or maybe even any warranty at all from DJI on this. If you break it, you bought it, kind of thing. So yeah, you want to be able to protect this controller when you're out in the field, because again, very expensive in case you have to buy another one because you can't get the current one fixed. So we're going to put it to the side for a second. So I purchased this off Amazon.com, and I'll have the links down below, and we'll, at the end of the video, we'll kind of go over the pricing, availability, and where you can get this thing from. But it's from a company called, I'm going to call it Yet. I won't even try to pronounce the name of this company, but it's right in the box here. So you can see that. So you pronounce it any ways you want to pronounce it. I've never heard of them before, but they did not send me this product. I purchased it with my own money on Amazon. So this is not a sponsor review, or they have nothing to do. They didn't send this to me. Nobody sent this to me. So full disclosure on that. Now, I kind of have an unboxing, but I've kind of got all the key components out of the box because it just came in a plain vanilla brown box like this. So there's nothing really to show you as far as packaging or anything like that. It was just in the box. So the first thing I'm going to go over here is they sent screen protector for it. This has a great screen on it. I think it's 7-inch screen, and they sent you, I believe, 2 of them here. So, and they even sent you a little installation kit there. Now, I already have a screen protector on my controller. I have a video on it already. The Starter RC sent it to me, so I've already got a screen protector in there. So these will stay in the box right now. But maybe down the road, if something ever happens to this current screen protector, I've got these. So I'm going to get that off camera for a second here. Now there's a couple components to here. I'm going to start out with the simple one. Now here is this little bag here. Here is the little. Sorry, can't get this up. I should have even did more preparation here to try to get this stuff open here to save time in the video here. But I'm going to call these 2 little hooks here. I got a set of them here, matching set here. And what they do is they go on the bottom of the controller here for your strap. And show you strap a second. So see, it's 2 holes on either side there. And you would just kind of screw them in there. Let me see if I could do it. It's the type of thing it takes a long time to do it, so I'm going to try not to waste it on camera here. Nice, maybe later on in the video. And it's nice. It's typical of ones I've had before with a little rubber cap there, and then this is where you loop the strap on, and the strap is right here. Let's get this out of the bag here, because this is a heavy controller too, much heavier than the RC2. So you kind of don't want to hand hold it, especially for a long flight, So, okay, here is a strap made of kind of like a leathery type material here. I don't know if it's really leather or not, or, and it got the branding again there, the company, I can't say. So it's kind of got a soft, brushed up leather feel in the back there, more of a smooth leather here. And here's the adjustable strap, so you could adjust it how far you want to hang it down, whether you're a tall person, short person, how far you want it to come down, towards your belly. And then here is the typical, clamps here, that you would connect through here. Oops, I missed it. There you go. So, okay, so easy on, easy off. So, and the strap, I'm going to show you, I don't know how it'll help at all, but I'm a man who's about 6 foot tall here, so this is where it hangs out of the box on somebody my size. Okay, and then we have this kind of soft kind of rubber cover, and what that's for is, let's get the thing open here. And this has a, kind of, if you've never seen this, kind of usual way of opening it. So, okay, again, I've already had the screen protector in here, but this is kind of double protection, kind of like belts and suspenders, right? So you want to put that over here. So that really gives you a lot of protection. You hear the cut when you open this thing up, it comes on its own. So that gives you like a whole bunch of extra protection there with that piece in there. So with that screen protector, this thing on, you got very little chance of scratching or breaking your screen while it's in storage. And then of course with that other, screen protector, you have a little chance of breaking it when it's in field use. So okay, so then the third piece here is this kind of rubber cover for the base of the controller. So, it's got openings here, for your thumbsticks and all your key buttons, then kind of a open back there, So let's see if we can get this on here. After much wrestling around, I got it on. It covers, it's got openings for everything here. Of course, the sticks, the button here where you change it to modes, your wheel here, your joystick, your kind of pause, return to home button. It's got all the openings down, open up down below, your places for your lanyard, your USB-C, your memory card slot, and even on the back here, see how it covers the buttons on the back here, the photo button, the video button, but it leaves room to put the antennas down. Even covers the thumb wheels back there. Covers part of the back. So you have access to those special function buttons in the back there, and of course the place where it breathes back there lets air in and out to keep it cool. So it really really covers everything. Of course, it has a the kind of a rubbery non-slip feel in your hand. So if you aren't using a lanyard, you have less chances of dropping it using this kind of rubbery material there. And of course, you can still easily put your screen down, close it back up again. So you can see how it really just really covers everything like a glove. Fits like a glove, as they used to say. And even here, you see how they have rubberized, what do you want to call it, ribbed look there. So you have a firm grip on either side there. So when you're gripping it like this, you can feel those. What's that word I just used? That kind of rib feel on the side there. So so let's see here. While we while we're finalizing things here, let's see if we can get these little and it's hard to keep this thing turned off here because it always wants to turn on here. Let me see if I can get it turned off again. Wrestling to get this thing on here, I turned it on and off a whole bunch of times. It took a couple minutes. That's why I'm not really showing the video here. So you just screw these in tight here, not too tight now. You don't want to strip anything out here, but screw them in tight. All right, so these fit on, easy to get on around the cover there, and then you want to hook your, your lanyard up here. And I don't know if this will help here, and I don't want to bump my wireless mic here, but so now you have it on here. Hangs down real nice. You can adjust if you want it to come up higher, if you want it up here, or you maybe want it a little bit lower, it is adjustable. So there's your setup. You're all protected now. You have your lanyard on so you don't drop it. And if you do drop it, you have that rubberized, glove on it all the way around. You got, you can put the screen protector on when it's not in use here. Probably not when you're flying a drone, of course. So now when you pack this away in a case or whatever, now you're. Let me get this off here. Now you're really safe for this setup. But with this setup, it's good. Like I have the Start RC hard case for this thing, so of course this thing's safe in that thing. Things like a tank. But say you're taking this out, you're not flying it with any particular drone, because this flies to four different drones, at least the Mavic 4 Pro, the Air 3S, the Mini 5 Pro, and the Mini 4 Pro. Say you're flying at one of those drones, and those drones, this doesn't fit in their drone cases. So with this setup here, this is good to leave in, like, say, your backpack or something like this, or kind of a less protective case because of all the protection it's got on here now. So, sometimes I use, like, say peak design, like, you know, shoulder bag or something like that. So I kind of throw all the components in there. So now I feel good putting this in there with all this extra, you know, layers of protection on here. So yeah, yeah, I'm really happy with this up here. And you know, let's get to the portion of the video where I tell you about pricing and availability. Okay, so I told you that, you know, the brand name before, YETAMKR. I don't know. You know, you saw it before spelled out. So this is available on Amazon.com, and you know, the package I got here, everything I showed you here is $39.99. And if you ordered it, like, you know, if you have Amazon Prime and you get the 2-day free shipping, like if I ordered it today, I would get it tomorrow. There's 1-day shipping depending on where you live. And yeah, and it's got a free 30-day refund and replacement program if you get it, you don't like it, you know. So yeah, that's good. So I will, you know, leave a, and you know, they can sell this stuff separate. If you don't want everything, like, you just buy the lanyard separate. And anyhow, you'll see it all in there. But I'm going to put the link down below, you know, so you can click right on the link. Now, I do want to make full disclosure again. I am an Amazon affiliate seller, so I will get a small commission on anything you purchase through this link I'm putting down there below. So it's a nice way to help the channel out, you know, since I don't really ask for any donations or any of the money anyways. But this kind of helps me keep, you know, getting products in here for review here. So please consider using that link. Okay, that's it. I'm Ron from Ron Brown's YouTube channel. Cover a lot of drones, tech gear, camera gear. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell so you know when I put a new video up about, you know, DJI controllers, drones, you know, other drones, other cameras, and just tech gear in general. And I'm even vlogging a little bit more now, so there's a lot of content out there. So, you know, thanks again for watching, but I'm not going to say goodbye here. I'm going to link another video up here related to this video that I think you may enjoy.